We've given the Witch Studio a Robot Wars makeover today.
That's right, the Irobot Roomba 980 is going head to head with the Dyson 360i in a robot vacuum obstacle course.
At almost £870, the Irobot Roomba 980 is the most expensive robot vacuum we've ever tested.
The Dyson 360i comes a close second at £799.
These top-of-the-range vacuums claim to navigate your home effortlessly, doing all the hard work for you while you relax and put your feet up.
You'll find in-depth tech specs, independent test results from our lab and full reviews at which.co.uk.
For this week's challenge, we've covered the floor in strips of lentils and glitter for the robot vacuums to clean up. We've also laid out a nice variety of obstacles in a bid to really confuse those robot vacuum cleaners.
Now, a good robot vac will clean the floor space thoroughly while navigating around any object in its way.
At the end, whichever robot vac has cleaned the most effectively whilst avoiding the obstacles will be crowned the winner of this week's challenge.
Yeah, there we go. Let me get out of space. Okay, now after a really promising start, Grace, for the Dyson vac, it's all gone a little bit wrong towards the end, hasn't it?
It had a bit of a mare around the bird, which also knocked over at the beginning.
Yeah, however, a really impressive manoeuvre around some of the other objects early on.
Yes, and good at hoovering. It was good at hoovering the carpet. It was brilliant at hoovering the hardwood floor.
Right, let's give the Irobot a go.
Let's do it. And here we go. Needs a bit of help. It's got something stuck in its wheel, apparently. Clear the wheel. I mean, the wheels look okay. Right, that's quite enough.
It's like a bull in a china shop.
It's like the aftermath of a house party. I mean, what has it done? It's just cleared the room. Any obstacle, it was just like, nope.
right through the
Just gonna
middle.
run over you.
It certainly performed less well than the Dyson. I don't think there's any confusion about that.
No. I mean, it tried to get a lot of the lentils. I mean, when it knocked the jenga over, the lentils went everywhere. It did try and hoover things up, but it just made such a mess of all the obstacles. It doesn't really gain many points there.
So ultimately, I think it's clear to say the Dyson won.
Yeah, even despite of its little freak out at the end of its 15 minutes, it did win.
Now this is of course just a fun challenge and in no way related to our official witch testing.
Our lab tests include extensive navigation assessments so we can tell how well each robot vacuum will move around your home.
We also check how much dust, fluff and debris each robot picks up.
So check out the Witch website to see which robot vacuums we recommend and hit subscribe for more videos like this.
And let us know in the comments below which products you'd like to see go head to head next time.
Woo!